Hello, thanks for joining us on another Sandia Mountain Natural History Center quick trip. Today we are high in the Sandia Mountains. We're going to do a little snowshoeing, and we're going to collect some snow samples, take them back to the lab, and see what we can find out about snow. Let's go ahead and get started. So what our goal is today is to collect some snow samples. We're going to take them back to the lab and we're going to see how much water is in this snow, just for kind of an interesting thing to see, to show how much air and how much water is in the snow. And the other thing we want to see is how much dust and debris and stuff like that is in the snow. Basically how dirty the snow is. That's important because dirty snow attracts sunlight, and that sunlight is actually going to melt the snow much faster. That's bad because snow that melts faster actually drains off and doesn't soak into the ground, which doesn't help the plants, doesn't help the aquifer, and doesn't replenish our rivers as much. So this snow is very important water for New Mexico later in the year. So we found some yellow snow here, and I know the old adage is to never eat the yellow snow, but observing nature is about using all your senses, and certain animals have different flavored urine. So let's really see. Oh, that is a coyote, male, about 5 years old. I'm kidding. It's my mango banana juice. Don't eat yellow snow. So, we were kidding about that other yellow snow, but there is snow you can eat, with a little bit of a caveat. It's best not to eat the snow that's fallen in the first hour of a snowfall. That's because snow acts as a scrubbing brush in the atmosphere and kind of brushes and cleans all the soot and particulate matter out. So if you're going to eat snow, it's best to eat second or third hour of a snowfall snow. All right, so we're back here at the lab at the worldwide headquarters of the Sandia Mountain Natural History Center, and we have 1,000 milliliter vessel here, and we're going to start heating it up, and we'll see how much water is in our 1,000 milliliter vessel. What do you think? Why don't you put it in the comments below what your guess is and see if you're right. All right, well, we've gotten it melted down, and it is less than 400 milliliters. So that's pretty interesting. This is probably less than a third of what we had put into our sample actually turned out to be water. The other interesting thing, hopefully you can see this, is that water is not super clear. It's kind of interesting how much stuff is in it. So pure as the driven snow, not always a true thing. So here's our sample under a microscope, and I got to admit, it's a little gross. I'm not sure that I'll be eating much snow in the future. This is snow that's been on the ground for, I would say, about a week, maybe 5 days. It's pretty interesting how much schmutz there is in that snow. As always, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will catch you on the next one.